You've had time to come back and say, you know what? I played for the brand. I wrote for the brand. I played on the team. But you know, there are things that we can do better. There are things that matter. There are values we have to stand for. And just like that banner says, and I'm so glad to see how it reflects, my wife's an independent conservative, a consistent conservative. That's the message of America. America is right of center. I even heard the other candidate for this same office say that the other day. A man who has consistently proven his maverick nature. Maverick, I think, code for progressive, but that's my opinion. And yes, I know I'm being videotaped. How wonderful. My point is, America is right of center, and without any further ado, keep the word redemption. I would like you to welcome a man who's going to take Arizona where only one other senator has taken us, and that's J.D. Hayworth, my friend.
Did my bad breath